Understanding Preparedness Plan, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and useful phrase in English, preparedness plan. Understanding this phrase is not only about learning new words, but it also gives us insight into how English speakers think about planning and safety. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of preparedness plan together. In this section, we'll dissect the phrase preparedness plan into its two components, preparedness and plan. Preparedness, this part of the phrase refers to the state of being ready for something, especially for emergencies or unexpected situations. It's about having the necessary knowledge, skills, or supplies in advance. Plan, this is a detailed proposal for doing or achieving something. In the context of our phrase, it refers to a systematic arrangement or method. Combining these two, a preparedness plan is a comprehensive strategy or a set of actions prepared in advance to deal with possible future emergencies or unexpected events. In this section, we'll look at some real-world examples to understand how a preparedness plan is used. 1. Natural disasters. Governments and organizations create preparedness plans for natural disasters like earthquakes, floods, or hurricanes. These plans include evacuation routes, emergency supplies, and safety procedures. 2. Business continuity. Companies develop preparedness plans to ensure they can continue operating during and after a crisis, like a cyber attack or a global pandemic. These examples show how preparedness plans are crucial in different areas of life and work. Here, we'll discuss how you can create your own preparedness plan for various situations. Identify potential risks. Think about what emergencies you might face. Is it a natural disaster, health emergency, or something else? Gather information. Research and gather information about how to handle these risks. Develop a plan. Create a detailed plan that includes steps to take before, during, and after the emergency. Remember, a good preparedness plan is always detailed, clear, and practical. That's all about preparedness plans. I hope this video helps you understand not just the meaning of this phrase, but also its importance in our daily lives. Whether it's for personal safety or professional continuity, being prepared is always a smart choice. Stay safe and keep learning. See you in the next video.